Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter, a slogan popularized recently. But what do those chanting it actually mean by it? I've been taking a closer look. The slogan draws attention to an issue, a matter, and lives are individuals, living things. So the slogan is drawing attention to the situation, experiences, state, or condition of certain things. To say that all living things matter may be true, but this cause is focused on a particular subset of living things. Indeed, all lives matter has been specifically called out as offensive and just plain wrong. And it isn't that the lives are black, of course, it's the skin tone of the individuals which is black. So, more accurately, it's black skin-toned lives matter. But slogans are best kept short, so it's understandable to simply say Black Lives Matter. To be even more clear, we aren't including all black skin-toned lives. Many living things sometimes or always have black skin tone. This movement is specifically about human black skin-toned lives and drawing attention to their situation, plight, condition. Now you can really see why the slogan is shortened to just the 3 words. But black skin tones aren't the only ones being included in this cause. Varying shades of brown skin tones are involved and included. It also includes people whose parents are both black or brownish, and people who have one such parent, but not people whose parents are both non-black or brownish. In Canada, BLM rightfully includes Indigenous people, and few in the USA would claim their Indigenous are unwelcome. Hispanic lives are often specifically mentioned as mattering, as are immigrant lives, Muslim lives, even though that's a religion, not a skin tone, and just about every other ethnicity and grouping other than fair skin tones. Remember, all lives matter is said to be offensive. Anyone saying that is attacked and said to be part of the problem, the enemy. The slogan can't include all lives, but it has to include almost every non-fair skin tone. If we're being honest, it's really non-fair skin-toned human lives matter. Anyway, it's clear why the slogan is shortened to Black Lives Matter, but being honest and clear about which lives matter really shows who isn't included, doesn't it? About half the planet's humans, the Orientals and the Caucasians. And look, I'm not saying racism isn't a problem and isn't dividing us and weakening the people. It is. That's why I think it's so important to avoid contributing to racist and divisive causes like this one. To claim we have to focus attention only on non-fair-skinned humans because other humans have been abused, enslaved, considered inferior, and killed is to ignore the fact that at various times all ethnicities have been abused, enslaved, considered inferior, and killed in great numbers, including the Orientals and Caucasians. And racism isn't just in the past, it's happening today, right now, including with this Black Lives Matter movement. A truly non-racist cause would seek to abolish all racism and itself not contribute to more division. Human lives matter is the correct slogan. Yes, Black Lives Matter, but saying it that way is just as racist as saying White Lives Matter. We have all been abused by each other and by the state for thousands of years. Right now, 99.99% of us are enslaved and abused by the other 0.01%. That's literal. What about that? The elite see us all as inferior, as domesticated animals. Speaking of the non-human lives, why is it that they don't matter? Are other animals, black-skinned and otherwise, not also being abused, enslaved, considered inferior, and killed by us? Do they not also feel pain, experience fear, love their children, and want to live free? Don't all lives matter? At least all of the animal kingdom, just one branch of life on this planet? This isn't meant to end the discussion. It's an invitation for us all, every living thing which is capable of joining us, to end the division. Anyway, it shouldn't be about our skin color, or even the form we take. Life matters. Peace is my message to all living things. In liberty and with love, Drutter.